On March 11th, 2020, WHO announced that COVID-19 is officially a pandemic. But what exactly is a pandemic or an epidemic? In this video, we'll be discussing about a pandemic and an epidemic. An epidemic is when an outbreak, a disease or virus outbreak is happening in a small area and doesn't affect lots of countries that well. Often the damage for an epidemic is very mild and not a lot of people are infected, but it usually takes longer for the epidemic to go away completely, but there's less people infected over a longer period of time. Like, for example, with COVID-19, in the beginning of the outbreak, like January to February, its spread was largely controlled and was mostly in China, Thailand, South Korea, Singapore, like these Asian countries. A pandemic means when, for example, there's lots of people infected with disease, or when lots of countries have disease, or it's not controlled and can be stopped in the near future. Also, a pandemic is more serious than an epidemic because more people need to be hospitalized, and lots of hospitals are running out of ICUs and intensive care units, so that means more deaths are coming in, and it can deal a serious blow to the country's economy because the country has to close down like factories and cities and lock down the whole country maybe to stop the disease from spreading. But the disease takes a shorter time to pass as like people are more aware of the health and stuff like that. So I think in conclusion, epidemic is worse than epidemic because it's like a more severe form of an outbreak.
Hello guys, please like and subscribe and turn on notifications bell as it can help us out a lot, and you can know when new videos are out. It can just help us out a lot. And yeah, stay safe.